Thanksgiving is a time for giving thanks and eating plenty of food. So while Chris is out eating plenty of food, I'm going to be giving thanks for all the times I got to spend behind the camera by showing you the times that Chris thinks I've deleted. Now remember, he is a professional, so it's okay to laugh a lot more. I hope you enjoy our collection of...
Dude, Thanksgiving isn't until tomorrow. I'm still here. I like how this ammo doesn't jam.
Well, we had a little malfunction earlier today. Unfortunately. Just the round that we're using, the rifle didn't like it. If I didn't, second shot would have been the best group I've ever shot at 100.
Redo that. Just checking some of the hits. Right now, I aim center and put 2 on the hole right here. I'm just gonna dial it back, maybe 2 MOA to the right, and we'll see where it goes.
What about this upper one?
Oh, this upper one.